The good thing about GDPR is that it harmonizes, in fact, the legislation of the 28 European countries, and it brings more protection to the sensitive data. And more protection means more trust, in fact, for the users and the citizens of the EU, and that will definitely boost the digital economy in Europe. For European companies, in fact, the key stakes in their GDPR compliance will be to take into account, of course, the new rights of the users. You have to do data portability, you have the right for erasure of data, you have the explicit positive consent, but also you have to know that companies have to abide by new obligations, and these obligations, for instance, are the accountability. And you also have to name a DPO, you also have to notify in case of breach. So these obligations are really complex to take into account into the whole process of the enterprise, and they have to move fast on that. For telco operators like Orange that do cloud services, in fact, many of the new obligations of the GDPR regulations have already been enforced for quite a few years. And this new data protection, in fact, brings very few new obligations for the cloud telcos. So they are well prepared, and in their own compliance, they also have built some skills that can help some of their customers in their own GDPR journey. So they are well prepared and they can support the customers in their journey.